guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be reviewing the cheapest mascara I have tried ever. This one is from AIDO. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. This is only 50 pesos. I used this on my 500 peso makeup challenge and I actually really like it. So it's not going to be a first impression review video because again, I've used it already pero hindi ko pa siya nagamit ng more than 1 hour. Nagamit ko na siya twice. Noong una, yung 500 peso makeup challenge. Tapos yung pangalawa was when I filmed a video lang. So, hindi ko pa talaga siya nagamit ng more than that. And yeah, today, I will be using it for siguro at least 8 hours and we'll see kung ano magiging itsura niya. So yeah, nasabi ko na nung ginamit ko siya sa challenge na yun as in nagustuhan ko talaga siya. As I mentioned in that video, the formula of this reminds me of the Maybelline Falsies mascara kasi medyo may pagka-thick yung formula niya, not watery at all. And the price is like, the price is right. It's only 50 pesos. So we'll see kung maglalast siya sa eyelashes ko. So yeah, without further ado, I will go ahead and apply this on my lashes right now. Okay, so ganyan yung itsura ng lashes ko ngayon. As you guys can see, very short na tapos very thin din ang mga lashes ko. I will be using my Etude House eyelash curler. Ito yung one and only eyelash curler ko. I've had this for I don't know how many years now and I still use it. It's still good and it's really inexpensive. I think I got it for only 89 pesos or 98 pesos. I don't remember. So I will go ahead and curl my lashes right now. Oh, by the way, pakita ko muna sa inyo. Ganito yung itsura niya. As you guys can see, super liit niya. Tapos, yung wand niya looks like this. Very simple lang yung wand niya. It's not rubber at all. What I do is I start from the base of the lashes onto the tip. Parang siniswirl ko lang siyang ganon. Again, gustong-gusto ko yung formula niya kasi may pagka-thick yung formula niya. And as you guys can see, it separated my lashes really good. And it also provides length. Not like super haba na ng lashes ko after ko siya i-apply. Pero it gives like enough length na gusto ko, which is good. So that was first layer. I'm gonna go ahead and apply second layer. Really sure if you can see, but that second layer right there. So, as you guys can see, meron talagang kaibahan yung merong mascara at saka yung walang mascara, diba? Meron siyang volume na binibigay, pero hindi siya clumpy at the same time. So, hindi niya kinaklamp yung lashes ko na parang namumuo-muo na sila. It separated it really nicely. So, I really like that. I will just go ahead and start on the other one. I curl my lashes like siguro, ginaganon-ganon ko lang siya, oh, parang ginaganon-ganon, ano tawag doon? Hindi ko alam, but I do that for like 10 seconds, I think. And then, yeah, tapos na. Tapos meron na siyang curl na ganap dyan. And then, I apply the mascara. So, that's what it looks like right now. Meron akong 2 layers sa upper lashes ko. Both upper lashes ko. Tapos, gustong-gusto ko ditong mascara na to kasi maliit yung wand niya and it's perfect for lower lashes. So, I will just go ahead and apply mascara on my lower lashes. Sa lower lashes ko, parang ginaganon ko muna siya first. Tapos, ginaganyan ko, ganon, ganyan. Hindi na ako marunong mag-explain. Pero, yeah, makikita niyo naman, diba? Ginaganyan ko siya para lang ma-coat yung lashes ko ng maayos. And then, back to that. So, ganyan lang yung ginagawa ko sa lower lashes ko. So, that's what it looks like right now. And I'm not really sure if this is a waterproof mascara. I don't think so. It didn't say na waterproof siya. We'll see how it will last. It's already 11:13 ng umaga. I'll get back to you guys later for an update. It is now 2:36 ng hapon, you guys. So, it's been, what, 3 hours? And my mascara, I can say na it's still the same. Walang nagbago. Ganun pa rin. Sobrang init today, guys. As in, sobrang init. I was sweating kanina kasi I was filming a haul video and literally, as in, sobrang init talaga. Though, hindi naman pinapawisan yung eyelashes ko. Until now, separated pa rin yung lashes ko and wala namang like nagsasmudge na mascara all over my eyes. So, yung mascara as in nandun lang talaga siya sa lashes. Hindi siya nag-run like sa iba-ibang parts ng eyes ko, you know what I mean? So, yeah, it's still good. It's staying there pretty nicely and I'm really, really liking it. It doesn't feel heavy on the eyelashes, by the way, kahit na 2 coats yung nilagay ko. And kanina, meron kasi akong maraming lagpas when I was applying it on my eyelashes. Meron akong maraming lagpas. I suggest na if that happens, do not like wipe it off while wet pa yung mascara. Wait na mag-dry fully yung mascara before nyo siya kunin. Mas madali that way kasi mas madali siyang matanggal kapag dry na yung mascara. Kasi kapag wet pa, may tendency na kakalat lang siya. So yeah, I did that earlier. I forgot to tell you guys. I will get back to you guys later sa end of the day and we'll see kung anong mangyayari sa mascara na to. It is now 8:08 ng gabi. It's been a long time and you guys, today was really, really hot. As in, sobrang init today. Yung mascara ko, in fairness ha, nandito pa rin siya. Separated pa rin yung lashes ko. Nandun pa rin yung volume. Sobrang bongga kasi kahit na ilang oras na, nag-maintain pa rin niya na separated yung lashes. Hindi siya nag-mumuumuo, hindi siya nagka-clump together, you know what I mean? Tapos the mascara in my lower lashes is still there. I'm really liking it. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I got mine, or I actually didn't get it. My sissy got it sa SM, I believe she got it. I'm not sure though. Pero available siya sa mga malls like SM. I'm pretty sure Watson's has AIDO as well. Usually katabi siya ng Fashion 21, so just check that out. And yeah, I highly recommend you guys give this a try. Let me know if some of you have used this. What do you think? Did you like it? Did you not like it? I would love to know. I really like it, especially for lower lashes. The wand is small enough to make application of mascara on the lower lashes a breeze, and it's just really good. That's it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like if you found the video helpful. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you in my next one. Do not forget to goodbye.